Today I will show you how to make this wave warp shake effect. Yo, it's Povikas here, and real quick guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Povikas and I've been a video editor for over 7 years now, and the thing I do is I help video editors edit way better, and I also have a super dope video editing website called povikas.com where I have an ultimate impact bundle which I have created to give video editors crazy impacts, shakes and distortions in literally seconds. So if you're interested in my ultimate impact bundle, then I will leave a link down for it in the description. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so here in After Effects I have 5 clips of Yeet just literally messing around from his The Bell music video, and what we can do is press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer, and on this adjustment layer let's add the effect called Wave Warp. And let's go to wave type, and here we need to make it to smooth noise. Now the wave height I like to make it from 100 to 150, so let's make it to 140. And the wave width, let's make it to 250. But we need to go to the direction and make it to 0. And that looks a bit more like it, but if you want to fix it even a little bit more, we need to add the effect called motion tile, and we need to add it on top of wave warp, and here we need to select the mirror edges and make the output width something like 300. And now we won't see the black parts popping out anymore. And here I also like to make the wave speed to 0.5. So now we already have this little look, but now we need to go to wave height and keyframe it, and also keyframe the wave width, and do this at the start of your shake. And now we need to press U and we will see all of our keyframes, and we can go to where we want the shake to end, or I guess the wave warp to end. So I kind of want it to end maybe somewhere here. So I'll make the wave height to 0, but I'll make the wave width to 40. I don't want to make it to completely 0, and I'll show you why. And let's go a little bit somewhere here, like 5 frames from the start, and I like to make the wave width here to 50. So what this will pretty much do is it will drop the waves like fast, like this, and then it's gonna go slowly down. And I think that looks super cool, but we're not done yet. We need to go to wave height keyframes and select all of them. And now we need to press F9, and while holding them, go to the graph editor. And here I like to make the graph literally this point just pop right in here, and this point just take it like this. And this is how it's going to look, an absolutely nice wave warp. And we can call this layer wave warp, and below it we can press Ctrl Y, and here you can add any types of shakes. So a shake you could add is dissolve shake, and this will require the Sapphire plugin, and I like to make the dissolve percentage to 35% and keyframe it at the start to 35 and go to the ending, and you can make it to 0. Now we can press U, and again we can select all the keyframes, press F9, and a bit smooth it out, you know. So let's smooth it out like this. Let's make this drop pretty fast. This just drops it fast, and let's go out of here, and this is the look we will get. It's gonna be a really simple shake, but what we can do is we can delete that dissolve shake, and we can have literally top tier shakes here. So to actually add insane shakes, I'm gonna go to animation presets, user presets, and I will use my ultimate impact bundle, which includes impact presets and impact presets v2. So I'm gonna go to impact presets, and here an absolutely banger shake is flash shake. All you need to do is just drag and drop it, and you will instantly have this professional shake with a little flash. Let's actually do more combinations. So let's press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate our wave warp, and now let's move it up and put it on top of our next clip. So this is going to be our next clip, and here below the wave warp we can press Ctrl Y again, and I want to show you a chroma distortion. So as you can see, chroma distortion gives us this crazy chroma, and let's just see how it looks. These effects also load very quickly, so as you can see, that looks dope. Alright, now let's move a little bit forward, obviously duplicate our wave warp, and below the wave warp let's add distortion flash impact. But it just looks absolutely ridiculous. And now let's go to another clip, press Ctrl Y, obviously have the wave warp on top, and here I want to show you my newest impact presets v2. Now this one has more colors, more like distortions. So for this one I'm thinking of using my newest updates distortion transition. You need to place it somewhere like this, yeah, because it needs to like transition into, like as you can see, like it's gonna pop the little RGB and it's gonna transition right next to the other clip. And on the last clip I want to gonna show you heavy Y-shake from Impact Presets V2, which is also again included in my Ultimate Impact bundle. And this is how it's going to look. That is absolutely ridiculous. And this is how our sequence looks right now, by the way. So yeah guys, tell me what you think about these effects. I believe they look super dope and they are just super easy to use. And also guys, as a thank you for watching this video and supporting the channel, I have to say that if you use code POVIKAS at the checkout, you will save $5 off on the Ultimate Impact bundle. But anyways guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.